Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this ancient squid in Fish It. So this mythical creature is hidden deep within the jungle expansion, which is the ancient ruin, and I'm going to show you where you can get this one. So this ancient squid is a mythic fire fish, and as I stated before, for the location you can get it on the ancient ruin. And as for the road that I use, I'm using the ghost fin roads in here, and for the beads I'm using the Singularity bait. So for the location, you can just go to your favorite spots in ancient ruin, but as for me, I fish in this corners right here at the bottom. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.